Good morning, Dada Sham children. Now see, this is your environment around us. Okay. In this, we are doing chapter number 1. So, open your book. Open lesson number 1. Who will do this? See here. This is page 1. Okay. Now, the story is now Meena and Chintu are brother sister. They study in school. Chintu does not like to go to school. Meena goes to school regularly while Chintu is irregular. Now, Mummy wants to educate both the children, namely Meena and Chintu. Now, see, grandfather tells. Can you say? Both of them a new story every day. Grandmother teaches them how to sing. Chintu and Meena are dear to all in the school. They are friendly with all the students in the school. Mom and dad are much worried about Chintu's studies. They keep a close watch at their going to school regularly. Right? Now see, think and say, what would Chintu dislike going to school? Okay. Now see. Now Chintu would due to the following reasons. He does not get play in the school. He loves toys very much, but he is not allowed to take them to school. Or his friends also do not come to school. Or his teacher never makes them play in the class. Okay. Now see. The next question is, now what would Chintu dislike in the school? Okay. Now the things that Chintu dislikes in the school, maybe he has to remain in the class for the whole day. Teachers keep on teaching him continuously. The lack of toys in the school, or he is not allowed to talk his friends during the class, right? Okay. Now see. Primary duties. Now we get many facilities where we reside or dwell to preserve, maintain them in our moral duty. Now we use water and hands. It is our duty to utilize it carefully. It is our duty to maintain trees, streets, and our environment. Okay, so it is our prime duty to utilize our amenities wisely and rationally. Turn the page. Now see here. Can you see this picture? Now from this, see here. Now think and say, do you throw garbage in dustbin? Of course we. So the answer is yes. Do you use toilet? See. Do you use toilet? Yes. Do you wash your hands with soap before eating and after using the toilet? Yes. Do you release dirty water through drain, gutter or safety tank? Yes. Now how many of answers are yes? All of them are yes. Okay. Now if all your answers are yes, then take it for granted that you are maintaining the environment. Okay. Now which are our primary duties that we should follow? So you should never spit here and there. We must bath every day. We must wear washed and clean clothes every day. We must not throw dirty water in open. We must get up early in the morning. We must not eat food kept in open. We must not throw waste here and there. We must not defecate in open, and we must keep cleanliness near public taps, right? Because the water is clean, and if we do not put surrounding clean, we'll get ill, we'll get sick. Okay. Now next page. See here. Now what is public property? Okay. Now see. There are many things in our villages or streets. They are our facilities. Now these are such facilities which are not owned by any individual but are used by everyone. Such properties are called public properties. Okay, now see, this is park picture. So this is a public property. Can you see? Now see, even here is temple. Now this garden is public property. Mosque, again here temple, this river. Okay. Now see here, which are public properties? Public park, primary school, then religious places like temples, mosque, lake near the village. Now public properties in your surroundings. You have to write which public properties are in your surroundings. Okay. Now see here this hand washing day. Now 15th October is celebrated as hand washing day. Dirty hands can cause many diseases. Now in this pandemic time, due to corona, we all are cleaning our hands. We are washing our hands regularly at similar intervals, right? So be safe. Okay. So see, already in this lesson also it is written that 15th October is celebrated as hand washing day. Dirty hands can cause many diseases. Is it clear to everybody? Now see. Now turn the page. See here. There is one. What you observe here. See. Now the first lady. Can you see? Now Can you see in that first picture? What is that she is doing? In that first picture, the woman sweeps that street and throws the garbage in the dustbin, right? It is a good practice. Now, right? See, she is putting garbage in the dustbin. Now, in the second picture, the garbage is thrown in the open due to which people get ill. Then, this is bed. Now what you should do? We should throw our waste of our house in the dustbin. Otherwise you will feel sick. Then here in the next picture, Rahul and Amit. Plants of Amit and Rahul. What you can see here? What do you see in the first picture? In the first picture, Amit and Rahul are playing in the park. There is a bench behind Rahul and plant behind Amit. Okay. Now, what in the second picture? Amit is helping Rahul to get up, who has fallen down on the plant. Okay. Now, what you see in the third? Here, it is Rahul fell. So, on the plant, due to which the plant is broken. See here. Okay. Now plant is broken. Now what should Rahul actually do? Now Rahul must not play in the garden in the manner that plants or flowers may get damaged. Now gardens are public property, right? So hence we must protect them. Okay. Is it clear to everybody? What do you look after the garden? Now that you have to write. So now see here. Again there is one picture. See, in the first picture there is one house and there is one tap, public. Then the rainwater collecting on the terrace, right? Now what is there in the second picture? This is the first. Two women who have come to fill water are talking near the tap, right? Now the pitcher is filled and the water is overflowing. We should not waste water, right? Now see all these pictures. Okay. Now see the questions. Now here. Now what do you do? According to that, I throw garbage in the dustbin. I grow trees. I do not. Now see, if you throw garbage in the dustbin, what you do not do? You do not throw garbage in the open. Now why? By throwing garbage in the open, I spread filth. Now the second one is I grow trees. I do not cut trees. By cutting trees, I damage the environment. Okay. Now what other duties should be obeyed to preserve environment? Now never spit here and there. Never defecate in the open. Never throw dirty water in the open, and never cut trees. You can do many more things to preserve environment. Okay. Now, so with this we have finished our lesson number 1. Who will do this? Now I'll give you question answers regarding this lesson. Okay, we'll meet in the next session. Till then, bye bye, good day, stay safe, Dada Sham.